You are going to love the 2013 Sorento. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: wheel locks, tire pressure monitoring system, remote keyless entry, front wheel drive, privacy glass, fog lamps, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find heated front seats, trip computer, second row bench seat, cargo mat. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento. Come take a test drive today.